So today we will discuss a question which is really very important from exam point of view, and the question is prove that probability density current for a plane wave in a medium is equal to product of probability density and velocity of the particle. So it means we have to prove S is equal to V chi star, where S is the probability density current and V is the velocity of particle and chi into chi star is probability. And as we know, the value of Sxt is given as eta h cut by 2m multiplied with chi curly chi star by curly x minus chi star curly chi by curly x. And as we know, chi xt is given as a e raised to power eta kx minus omega t. And as it is clear from this equation that we need first differential of chi and chi star. So we differentiate it on both sides with respect to x. We get eta k e raised to power eta kx minus omega t, which can be written as eta k chi xt, because chi xt is equal to a e raised to power eta kx minus omega t. And similarly, chi star xt will be a e raised to power minus eta kx minus omega t. Here comes negative sign. And the first order differential of chi star is minus eta k a e raised to power minus eta kx minus omega t, which can be written as eta minus eta k chi star xt. And we put these two values in the above equation, we get Sxt is equal to eta h cut by 2m multiply with chi minus k chi star minus chi star eta k chi. And after opening up the brackets, we get eta h cut divided by 2m eta k and minus 2 chi star. And as eta into eta is eta square and the value of eta square is minus 1, thus minus sign will cancel with this minus sign and we left with h cut k by m chi into chi star. And as we know, p is equal to h cut k, where p is momentum, so therefore we can write it as p by m chi into chi star. And as momentum can be written as mass into velocity mb, and it can be written as mb by m chi into chi star, where m can be cancelled out with m and we left with b chi and chi star. Therefore Sxt is equal to v chi star, which we have to prove.